Today, we're gonna talk about how to do bridges to dumbbell skull crushers. First, start by grabbing the dumbbells, lay down on your back on the floor. Bend your legs and place your feet hip width apart. Take the dumbbells and press them up until your hands are straight. Push through the heels to get your hip off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Now when you're at the top, squeeze your glutes, perform 1 repetition of the skull crushers, then go down and repeat. At each repetition, whenever you reach the top position, you squeeze your glutes and perform 1 dumbbell skull crushers and then go down and keep on repeating until the set is complete. Make sure to keep pushing with your heels throughout the whole movement.